Well, this is where it stands after day one. Fork tubes bent right here. Radiator crushed. I believe the internal amplifier is dead, blowing fuses when connected. The rear half of the bike looks to be okay. Slip-on tips. She does fire. Inner outer fairing gone. I got that pop-up workshop. Tools, bike, overhead lighting, work table, organization. Yeah, that part. 6'1" underbelly. And so, yeah, light, twisted, bent, twisted. Gonna get all the parts off so we can see what we need. But yeah, that's about it. Money stereo installation on the move, aka MSI. We got the front, we got bags. We're moving pretty fast. We've got rims, the bike, broke it down already. We got inner outer fairing bags. Man, just moving along. Minor scuffs, but we can work those out. But yeah, gotta keep it pushing. We need some more parts. We're just collecting parts right now. We got new. That one, as you can see, was tweaked. Had me leaning to one side, that's for sure. Fork tube was shot. Other one was shotter. We got new neck bracket in. Reroute the wires back correctly. Put a upper bracket for the upper neoprene. Stop this from seesawing. Pulled the slip-ons off. Got another pair of slip-ons we slipping on this one for the moment. Go ahead, slide the back rim in. Since we up in the air, we got a color scenario we're trying to figure out. Trying to work it out. Got new voltage regulator in, new radiator coming. Waiting for that, so we can we charging now, and so waiting for the rest of the pieces in the world to line up so we can keep on pushing. So that's the goal. We just moving. It's kind of the downtime season, you know. It's rainy outside, and so we just converted the underneath of the Impala to the work lab. And you see we in the bike in the 61 Impala bike lab. Yeah, as long as it don't go super cold, we okay. But yeah, we're gonna get this wheel on tonight and shut it down. But yeah, that's where we at with it. New crash bars coming. Let me take this one, put that in the stack of takeoffs. That one there. This one here. So, like I said, I got a vision for this, so we're not gonna do what everybody else does, which is black. We're gonna take this back to the old school, back to the chrome. I think black is good, color is good, but I want some chrome. I want to be some blingy blingy. My last few episodes have been all dark out. We're gonna brighten up this time with some accents. Hey, that's it for tonight. Money stereo installation, MSI. Gotta go. This is the old one, which, as you can see right here, is clearly bent. See the gap right here as opposed to here? New one, straight up and down. So, bent. The whole lower half shaft of here is tweaked. Out with the old, in with the new. Let's go.